Number 6, choose the warriors looking at their heart before you choose their skill. Because I usually say you can have the number 1 skill, but if they're not the perfect fit, the heart, they will be the wrong person for your team. The best fighters are not usually the strongest. They are the ones that will never abandon the shield wall, that will hold it till the end. So therefore, surround your team, rather recruit people that will have loyalty and hunger and grit. I think a skill can be trained, but heart cannot. Number 7, let values be the compass in the fog. Sometimes there's going to be chaos, you're not going to see the light. And therefore, like when the seas are rough and direction is unclear, it's about having the values, because that will guide them. It's not about just writing them on paper, but it is to create a way of living it and acting it out when nobody is watching. A tribe without values become a ship without rudder, destined to be adrift.